Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalaka and I create videos on a lot of topics which are all of my interest. So if you're interested, please do check them out. Now today I'm going to show you in this video that how I clean my makeup brushes. I just realized that I've shown you guys so many of my makeup tutorials and things of how to do makeup, but I've never really showed you how to clean your brushes, which is a very important thing. So today we are going to look out for that. So please stick with me till the end of video. If you enjoy, please hit the like button. Let's get started. So as you can see here, all my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders are super dirty. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to get a narrow vessel so that all my makeup brushes can soak right up in, and then I'm going to add in the Dettol hand wash to this. Now you can really add any liquid, any cleansing liquid which you like, but I really prefer Dettol here because it is antibacterial and it kills all the germs, and makeup brushes are such a thing that develop a lot of bacteria and germs. So after I just add the liquid hand wash in there, I'm going to stir it down with the end of my brush and get the water all soapy and nice for my brushes so that my brushes could sit therein, soak up in that water. The next thing I'm going to do is, now firstly let me show you guys how dirty are my brushes. Just look at that amount of makeup onto them. So yeah, I'm just going to soak all my brushes into this soapy water for around 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to give them nice time to soak in, and मतलब इससे ही आधा काम हो जाता है. It almost gets rid of all the dirt. The next thing here, I'm showing you how to clean the beauty blenders. Now this is a pretty simple trick. What I'm doing is I have used again this Chota Dettol ka soap, and then I'm taking my beauty blender. Now see how dirty is that as well. All the foundation stains, the concealer stains are right onto it, and under running water I'm just going to squeeze the blender onto my soap and rub it against each other and then squeeze the water. Now this step is a bit like difficult to understand, but as you can see right what I'm doing here, the same way you have to do it, and it takes time. It takes approximately 2 minutes for per blender, as like how dirty it actually depends on how dirty your blender is, but then you get rid of all that makeup. Trust me, इससे अच्छा तरीका है ही नहीं इसको साफ करने का. मैंने बहुत tutorials देखे हैं, and this is the best way to do it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. This is just like I've tried to catch up a close-up shot so that you guys can understand what I'm doing. And yes, you need running water for this, but you can just open the tap very little so that you don't end up wasting a lot of water. So here the first blender is done, and as you can see, it is nice and all cleaned up. So it doesn't have any stains of foundation and concealer onto it. Now this is the second one, guys. Iska color orange hai, and just look, it has like become almost brown. So I'm going to repeat the same process which I used earlier and clean this blender as well. And now just see, it's all cleaned up, and this is how it looks like. So once the blenders are done, I'm just going to leave them on to a dry towel to dry them out. And then I have this equipment from Nykaa to clean the makeup brushes. So I'm going to use this to clean my brushes. Till this time, as you can see, the water is all dirty. All the makeup from the brushes is down into the water. And but I'm just going to squeeze the brushes onto this like makeup removing pad, I guess. That's what it is. It's of rubber, and it has all these small dots and lines just to clean the brushes throughout from the inside. So I'm just going to do that here. I'm going to take my makeup brush and then squeeze all the water onto this and start rubbing it, as you can see what I'm doing here. Now if you don't have this pad, you can also use your palm. Basically you just have to rub the brushes onto your palm and make sure that all the dirt is out of your brushes. A lot of time this happens that the brushes are clean from outside, but inside there's a lot of dirt. So you need to have this. This is very essential, and it's very bio-friendly, so you can invest in this rubber pad anytime and then use it. And then after all my brushes are done, I've just changed the water. As you can see here, I threw the dirty water. I bought some fresh water in this vessel again, and then I've soaked all my brushes in that. Now you don't really have to soak them well, but just to get rid of the dirty water, I'm going to repeat this step again. It is somewhat like the last step what we followed. So here again, with the help of this makeup removing pad, I'm just going to squeeze all the water out from my brushes. And now as you can see, I'm doing it in very light strokes, so that I don't spoil the brush. And when I'm going to leave it to dry, I'm just going to leave the brushes all in its original shape, the shape which I wanted to be in, because when they are going to dry, they are going to develop that shape. So that's what I'm doing here. Just make sure to be very easy with this final step, because you do not want your brushes to like break or to get spoiled. Then here are the brushes. They are all drying, and as you can see, they are all cleaned up. So I'm just going to leave them up to like a day. I usually do this process at night, so I have them in the morning all clean and ready and dried. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share the video. Bye bye.